I'll be showing you how to clean the Colt M1911A1 airsoft spring pistol. First, eject the mag, make sure it's cleared, then pop this pin out. Use something, like a tactile pen. Use your mag's hammer. Pin should come out. So that should come off from the receiver. Then there's this little back plate back here. You just grab, push forward, pull back. It's the main spring, the back plate. And then take the main barrel, and push forward. You get the plunger assembly out, and get the guide rod spring off. Just push that, pull it out. And then to get the main barrel out, inner and outer barrel, you have to unscrew these two screws, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to simply put a cleaning rod through the barrel like it is currently, but you don't have to completely take the barrel out. Just get a piece of paper or paper towel. Hold it, put it through the socket in the cleaning rod. This was a full length one, I just broke it. Go through. You can add silicone if you want to, but I'm not going to. And just push it down the barrel. And make sure it doesn't knock out the BAX system. Do that a couple times. Then to reassemble, just take the guide rod spring, insert it. I find it easiest just to bend it and put on the pole or the guide rod, and then push back. It's a working guide rod now in the barrel. Take the plunger assembly. You can also silicone this, which I will. Q-tip. Just push it around there. Make sure you get it good. And then add the plunger. Push the barrel forward, so I assemble it. Put the plunger assembly in the slide. And the barrel should push it back a little. Grab this back plate with the mainspring and have it pointing up like that. When you put it in, you just push it in. And your slides back together, and it should be like that. A little gap in the ejection port and the barrel sticking out a little. And then for better cycling, silicone or Q-tip again, and wipe it on the rails. Both the receiver and slide. And then After you're done with that, put it back on the frame. The barrel should be able to move a little. Now get the hole in line. And take your assembly pin and push it through. There's the 1911 thing.